Hey, Gaurab here. So I'm just going out, but before going out, I opened my email and I saw something, and I decided to make this video. I have got an email from someone who tells me that he's a newbie. So can you suggest some newbie stuff to him so he can start making money? And again, the age-old question: how much money I will, how much time do I need? How much money I can make? How much time and money and effort I need to make this amount of money? So first of all, the first thing I want to say is stop calling yourself a newbie. If you keep calling yourself as a newbie, you are not, it's just going to be an excuse for everything you are not able to do. I'm a newbie, I don't know how to set up this, I'm a newbie, I don't know, everything I touch I just get into losses. I'm a newbie, and all those kind of excuses. So first of all, stop calling yourself as a newbie. And if you keep calling yourself as a newbie, then you won't get anywhere. Start calling yourself as a businessman or an entrepreneur. And the second most important thing is, if you are getting started and you think you're a newbie, and if you keep buying all the newbie courses, if you keep looking for methods which say it's for newbies only, then you're not going to go anywhere. You're not going to learn anything new. You'll just be learning all the newbie stuff. So if you need to go to the advanced level, you need to learn those expert things. You need to learn those advanced things. Instead of and that's the way you will learn. So when I was there, I bought courses from people who were like selling those for $2,000, $3,000, so I can learn what they are doing, and so I can implement them in my business. So that's what I want you to do. Stop calling yourself as a newbie. Stop buying all those newbie things. Stop looking for newbie methods and all. Start learning the actual stuff. Start learning the strategies. Start learning the what other successful guys are doing. So I hope that this really helps, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.